So in this video, I'm gonna go over this solar panel plug and check this thing out. I love this type of connector right here. It's 16 gauge wire built in. It has the little kind of holders right here. That's always handy, and they're tied onto it. So we'll open this thing up and let you see what all you get with it. I have a solar panel that I like to plug into either power bank. So let's just go over the plugs right here. That's, I think, say 3.5. That's a very small one right there. I don't have many that use that. This has the 8 mil, and I think either a 6 or 7. That's a 5, and maybe that's a 3. So there's the different sizes there. That's a XT60, which is very standard. I got a lot with that, and the Anderson plug, which is I got a lot with that. Then on this side, you get just 2 normal kind of solar connects. Now I plugged this into my solar panel, tested it out on 2 different power banks. This thing worked extremely well. I see no issues with this thing at all. This is something I recommend for anyone that just has solar panels and then also has power banks that they want to be able to charge, or a wide variety of power banks. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the solar connectors. See y'all in the next video.